Hello students, good morning. Let's start today's class. Dear student, today we are going to study about to revise the lesson weather and climate. In this lesson, first of all we will discuss about the word bank and then after the exercises. So first word bank is proximity. Proximity means nearness, मतलब नज़दीकी. Proximity means nearness. Next is cradle. Cradle means place of origin. Means प्लेस ऑफ ओरिजिन, कोई भी चीज़ जहाँ से उत्पन्न हुई है, जहाँ से पैदा हुई है, दैट प्लेस इज कॉल्ड कैरेडल. नेक्स्ट इज हरिकेन, अ टिपिकल साइक्लोन. हरिकेन इज अ टिपिकल साइक्लोन. Yes friend, all we know about the cyclone. Cyclone mostly affect the coastal area and it disturb the life. It make the cause of loss of life and property. So hurricane is a typical cyclone. Next is circle the correct options. Circle the correct options. In this question, there are two options and you have to choose the right one. First one is the regions above the sea level. The regions above the sea level are hotter or colder. What will be the correct answer? The regions above the sea level are hotter oblique colder. Here right answer will be colder. Here right answer will be colder. Dear friend, the regions above the sea level मतलब बेटा अगर हम बात करें लैंड एरिया की, किसी भी जगह की, किसी भी प्लेस की अगर हाइट मेज़र की जाती है तो वो सी लेवल से मेज़र की जाती है और उस हाइट अबव द सी लेवल को हम बोलते हैं एल्टीट्यूड. यू कैन से एल्टीट्यूड. सो रीजन्स अबव द सी लेवल और हॉटर. रीजन्स अबव द सी लेवल बेटा डिस्प्ले अ ग्रेट रोल in climatic change or in temperature. You can say how and why. You can see here. Dear student, already I had told you about altitude. Altitude means height above the sea level. मतलब किसी भी जगह की, किसी भी प्लेस की जो हाइट है वो सी लेवल से कितनी ऊंचाई पे है. किसी भी प्लेस की अगर हाइट मेज़र की जाती है तो वो कहाँ से की जाती है? सी लेवल से. So that is called altitude. Here we have to see the relation between altitude and temperature, because altitude is given here and temperature is given here. So in which case you are going to use which condition? So here we will discuss about the altitude and temperature. TEMP dot is temperature. Yes friend, if altitude is high, if altitude is high मतलब जो प्लेस है जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं वो सी लेवल से काफ़ी ऊपर है. जब एल्टीट्यूड बेटा हाई होगा टेम्परेचर विल बी लो. दिस इज द फर्स्ट कंडीशन. एल्टीट्यूड, the relation between altitude and temperature is opposite. If altitude is going to be higher, the temperature will be lower. In another case, second, in this case altitude is lower, then temperature will be, what will be the answer? Temperature will be higher, because there is opposite relation in altitude and temperature. Dear student, this is the condition of hill station, mountainous region, where altitude is high and their temperature is low. That's why we plan our summer vacation to visit the hill stations to enjoy the cooler season or cooler temperature. And second condition is altitude is low. Altitude is low will be which place? बेटा जो एल्टीट्यूड लो है हम लोग रह रहे हैं प्लेन लैंड पे, नॉर्दर्न प्लेन पे वी आर लिविंग ऑन द नॉर्दर्न प्लेन एंड हियर आवर एल्टीट्यूड इज़ वेरी लो in comparison with mountainous region. So altitude is low, our altitude is low, so we feel high temperature. We feel high temperature most of the time in a year, most of the month we enjoy summer time. So keep in mind altitude, temperature, there is opposite relation. If altitude is high then temperature will be low, and if altitude is low then temperature will be high. Keep in mind beta. The deserts receive low rainfall, moderate rainfall. The desert receive which type of rainfall? Dear student, the desert receive low rainfall. Desert receive low rainfall. Already we have discussed about it. In desert region where there is low rainfall or no rainfall, very you can say scanty rainfall. Tropical wet regions receive high rainfall or low rainfall. Beta, when there is wet, that means there will be high rainfall. Keep in mind. Throughout the year, the marine wet coast region remains dry or damp. Throughout the year, the marine wet coast region remains dry or damp. What will be the answer? Answer will be damp. Next is the tundra is treeless or waterless. Tundra is treeless or waterless. What will be the answer? It is treeless area. Okay. Next is beta fill in the blanks. In fill in the blanks you have to write here the correct word. Humid continental region is found between dash latitude. You have to write here the latitude. The right latitude will be 40 degree and 50 degree. Okay. Next is winter are very harsh in the dash region. Winters are very harsh in the dash region. What will be the correct answer? Winters are very harsh in the dash region. Where winters are very harsh in tundra region. In tundra region, deciduous forests are found in the humid continental climatic zone. Answer will be humid continental climatic zone. Next is deserts receive an annual rainfall of. The deserts receive an annual rainfall of dash less than 10 inches. Less than 10 inches. Less than 10 inches. Next is beta, next and the last dash is called the seasonless climatic zone. Dash is called the seasonless climatic zone. Answer will be tropical wet. Tropical wet is called the seasonless climatic zone. So it's all about our today's class. Dear student, keep on revision and learn all the things properly. Give time for study and prepare yourself for the half yearly exam. Wishing you have a great day. Thank you.